Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. If you follow me on my Facebook page, Tim Anderson Horse Training on Facebook, you've seen me make a couple of posts about this little baby. This is Lightning. He's, I believe, about 15 months old. When he came in, he was real skittish, and you could halter him, but you had to kind of corner him up and kind of throw a rope around him and hold him to get the halter on him. And he was real skittish as far as getting your hands on him. And I thought about making a post of what I was doing with him to get him to relax with me, and I didn't, because I was thinking, well, I'm just handling him every day. I'm just doing it right. And then I got to thinking, well, what is right? So it gave me the idea. I wanted to make a couple of videos and show you the right way to do a few things. That just by doing things correctly is going to make your horse better. And so I want to start by haltering first. That's one thing, that you can halter a horse one way and make him better. You can halter him and make him worse. So I use these rope halters. There's nothing fancy about them. It's not the halter, it's how you use it. This is just a cheap rope halter. I think it's Mustang brand, nothing special about it. It's not the halter, it's how you use it. So the way I do it, I got the rope draped across my left hand. Take the knot that's going to be on the left side of his face and put it in that hand. Take the other knot and put it in that hand. And make a loop with the tail. Okay? I'm not going to go at him from the front. I'm not going to go at him with this halter open like this. I'm not going to go that way. That's not the correct way to halter. I'm just creating a problem if I do that. So you see, I got him where I can get my hands all over him. That's the first thing. Before you can even try to put a halter on a horse, you need to get where you get your hands all over. So now what I'm going to do, I got my hands all over. I'm going to take my right hand, and I'm going to grab this knot that's going to be on the right hand side, go underneath, grab the knot, put it over his nose. And then I'll run through my loop. This is the part that a lot of people get backwards. Through the loop, now I'm going to go from back to front and then back through my loop. That way the tail is pointing to the back of the horse instead of to the front. We don't want it poking in the nose. So I didn't do anything special to get this horse to be haltered. I just kept getting my hands on him, and I kept doing it correctly. So the loop's in my left hand, that loop on the halter's in my left hand. Grab this knot, and I got a finger in between just so it'd be easy to grab. This hand's on the right hand side of the horse's neck. He's used to being scratched, petted on, just do it right. And once you get to that point, nothing to it. All I did, this horse was real skittish when he came in, like I said. And I just did it correct. Nothing special, no special halter, just time and do things correct. So if you'll start haltering your horses that way, under the neck, right hand over, and then slide over the nose, you'll see that your horses will get better just because you're doing things correct. That's the tip I wanted to share with you today. Thanks, Lightning, for helping. He's going to grow up to be a really nice baby. So I hope you enjoy the videos. I'll be coming up with some more short video tips. And thank you again. Thank you for watching.